time ago, there lived a beautiful princess in a very big palace. She is very beautiful with her blue eyes and long black hair. Her skin is white and smooth, though she was called Snow White. She had a stepmother who was always envious of her beauty. Her stepmother was also beautiful, and the magical mirror always said that every day and every time she asked.
Mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful in this world?
You are the most beautiful woman in this world, Majesty.
One day, the stepmother asked to the magical mirror again, but the answer of the magical mirror made her angry.
Mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful in this world?
My queen, you are beautiful, but Snow White is more beautiful than you.
The stepmother was very angry. Then she asked her trusted servant to bring Snow White to go away from the palace and kill her. However, the servant did not kill Snow White. He let her go by herself.
Please, don't kill me. I will go to the woods and I will not come back again.
Go away, pure princess.
The servant took the wild animals while ate her and letting Snow White made his heart very fat and free from the pressure. The forest. Snow White was alone and afraid. She did not know where she had to go. But suddenly she saw a small peculiar cave. He wondered what lived there, and then she decided to go inside it. In the cottage, there are 7 beds and a kitchen. Snow White was very tired and suddenly she fell asleep.
In the afternoon, 7 of the dwarfs who lived in the hut went home. They were surprised to see a young woman there. One of the dwarfs roused her and asked who she was. Snow White told them her sad story. The 7 dwarfs also understood her feeling and asked her to stay with them in the cottage. Meanwhile, at the palace, the servant went back and told the stepmother that Snow White had been killed. Then the stepmother asked the magical mirror once again, "Who the most beautiful in this world is?" And still magical mirror answered Snow White, who was living in a small cottage with 7 dwarfs, was the most beautiful.
The stepmother was very angry and had planned something bad for Snow White. Then the stepmother disguised herself as an old woman who sold a bucket of poisonous apples and go to the cottage. In the cottage, Snow White was warned not to open the door to strangers by the 7 dwarfs. The stepmother finally arrived to the cottage and began offering the apples to Snow White.
I can open the door and let anyone come in. The 7 doors have warned me.
Okay, I just want to give this apple to you.
No, I can't take anything from anyone.
Snow White refused to open the door, but the stepmother continued to persuade. Ultimately, Snow White opened the door and pulled an apple and she ate it. Therefore, Snow White was poisonous with an apple filled beside her. In the evening, when the 7 dwarfs went home, they were surprised. They saw Snow White lie on the floor with a pale face and poisonous apple beside her. The 7 dwarfs were sad to see Snow White was dying. Then the 7 dwarfs decided to make bedding for Snow White that was made of beautiful crystal to make her alive. Every day, 7 dwarfs waited for miracles that when Snow White would be awake. One day, there was a prince of a kingdom who saw a beautiful woman was laid on the bed of crystal. He was also asking the dwarfs to tell what happened and dwarf told it.
Let me have Snow White, and I will give you everything you want.
However, the 7 dwarfs refused it. They did not want to be separated with Snow White even though he would be gold in this world.
I ask it really much because I can live without saying Snow White. If you agree, I will bring all of you too. I also take you as my brothers.
Finally, the seven dwarfs agreed. Then the prince kissed Snow White to show his intention. Suddenly, Snow White was awake. The fact was that the kiss for the prince broke the evil spell. After that, the prince asked her to get married with him. Snow White said yes. Since that day, Snow White lived in the prince's big palace happily ever after.
And how thrilling that